2, 3.
Happy 40th anniversary, Mama and Apo. Happy 40th anniversary, Mama.
Apo.
Love you so much.
I love you. Happy 40th anniversary, Naitay. We're so blessed and proud to say that you are our parents. Thank you for your sacrifices, for giving everything to us despite mga trials and difficulties ng una, but still you grew strong for us and you gave your best for the three of us, and now they are already, you've got your grandchildren. We are so thankful that you're able to see them, and we're praying for good health and protection always. Nasubuan kami, wala kami da, but thankful na we have more family, extended families sa mga palibot ng mga pastors kag mga iba na niya relatives natin. Thank God for using them. May kaupo din yung subong. Maski malayo kami, but still we're thankful and we're happy. We love you so much.
Happy anniversary, Mama and Papo. Thank you for loving us, and thank you for also taking good care and showing your love to your Apo, AZ. And thank you for always praying for us. Miss Kilayo kami, and also we are praying for you, for your good health and for the strength. Every day busy kami sa mga oral sa school, but we are praying for you always. We thank you for everything na gina-show nyo sa amon, sa love and care na gina-show mo sa amon yung mga bata, especially sa mga apo. We love you, Mama and Papo.
What's your name and what's your name? AZ Hope. Love you.
Bye-bye.
Love you, kiss.
Hey,